It's my very first time to be joined by an Indian guest and Pakistani guest.
It's also my first time.
Really?
Yeah.
But isn't it common for a Pakistani person or Indian person to meet each other from different
Outside our
countries?
countries.
Mm. So I have prepared for some questions and we're going to find out the similarities and the differences between the two countries by raising up the O's and X's. The first question. In my country, English is one of our official languages. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so you guys both speak in English.
Yeah.
In my country, mostly people speak Urdu, but in rural areas, they speak different dialects.
What about your national language?
Urdu is our national language, and yeah, English is our official language of Pakistan, which I can hardly speak.
We don't have a national language.
Hindi isn't your national
I think
language?
so.
We have 23, like you can say national languages, but we have only 2 official languages, Hindi and English.
It's official language.
Official languages, not
language.
national language.
Then
Yeah.
how many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
Hindi, English,
Korean,
Korean.
and my mother tongue, Marathi.
I can speak 3 languages, Urdu, English and Punjabi as well. And I'm also interested to learn Korea, and I hope I can learn it.
Korean people just speak Korean. So, the next question. In my country, we love chai.
Yeah, chai is the cheap drug of Pakistanis.
I know you love chai. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Personally, I really don't like much chai, but other people they take as a drug which circulate the blood in veins.
So your blood consists of chai.
Chai, yeah.
I also know Indian people
Yes,
also love
I
chai.
mean, as long as I know, British people got the chai culture in
yeah,
India.
chai
But I
tea.
think Indians drink way more chai than Britishers because I don't personally like it.
Yeah.
But Indians like minimum 2 cups or
Yep.
3 cups a day.
Wow.
So yeah.
When I went to the UK Starbucks, British people order chai tea latte with exotic spice, you know, in it.
Yeah.
It's different from cinnamon.
I think it's masala, so they call it masala chai. So the spice is masala.
No, we don't have a masala chai. We just take sweet tea, and some people like molasses tea, like it's kind of jaggery tea, good wali chai.
In my country, our main religion is Hindu. 3, 2, 1. So, Hindu,
Yeah.
correct. And what about you?
Islam is our main religion, and Pakistan itself is also based on Islam. There are also religions than Islam like Christianity and Hinduism, but in very small amount.
Then what about Muslims in India?
Oh, I think there are a lot of Muslims. Like about 80% are the majorities, Hindus, and I don't remember the percentage, but good amount of percentage goes to Muslim and then the other religions.
If I'll talk about the percentage of religion in Pakistan, Islam is 96.5% and other religions are only 4% like Hindu and Christian.
I myself have a lot of Muslim friends, so we don't actually sometimes even know that the other person have different religions. So.
In my country, we can't eat beef. 3, 2, 1. You can't eat beef.
We love to eat beef.
Love beef.
I'm sorry.
Hindus don't eat beef due to religious reasons, but there are people who do. Like if you go to the southern part, Kerala, people do love and eat beef. So only in certain regions, I think it's banned.
It's also one of the most popular dish in Pakistan. We mostly slaughter cow on Eid Eve. It's like our holy festival, like Christmas, Easter and Passover. Apart from beef, people of Pakistan also like to eat mutton and other chicken as well.
What about pork?
No, we can't eat it at all.
Oh, you can't eat pork.
Yeah, it's forbidden in our religion.
So in your religion, you can't eat pork.
Yeah, no.
And in your religion, you can't eat beef.
Nothing about pork,
Yeah.
but we can't eat beef.
What about chicken?
Yeah, Indians love to.
Well, chicken, okay. Chicken's fine then. In my country, we have more than 1 billion population. 3, 2, 1.
I mean, look at the size of India.
Yeah. India has 1,350,000,000 population, and Pakistan 210 million.
It's 235.8 million.
I think it's still growing a lot.
Yeah, it's growing fast.
Very, very fast.
In Pakistan, each family have more than 5 children, but still they want more. Likewise, in Western, they have only 1 or 2.
And also India is so big.
I mean, I don't know why the population is so high. I feel because the Indian population is so high, Indians are everywhere. Like, name any country, you will see Indians there.
In Pakistan as well.
Pakistan, maybe, because we're neighbors. Come on, so it's okay.
In my country, the drinking age is 21. 3, 2, 1. So you can start to drink from 21.
Yes, not in some regions because in Delhi, like the age is 25.
Very high.
Very high. I just turned 25, so it's like now is my drinking age. But mostly in other regions, it's 21.
What about in Pakistan?
No, we can't drink at all.
You just can't drink?
Yeah, because it's forbidden in Islam and also banned in our country, but still some people are drinking in hotel or in their private places, but not blatantly. I've never seen in my life. I don't even know what it tastes like.
Wow. Which drink is the most popular in India?
It depends on age and sex, but I would still say I personally used to drink rum a lot. Rum and vodka are like a favorite.
What about beer?
Oh, beer is something like it's there. Yeah.
It's just like water.
Yeah.
In my country, we love cricket. 3, 2, 1. You guys love cricket. Cricket teams are very popular in your country.
Although the national sport of Pakistan is hockey, but still we like cricket more, and everyone has a favorite player who inspires them a lot, and they cheers Pakistan when Pakistan's match with India.
It's like Korea versus Japan. I guess.
Yeah.
It's more intensive than Japan.
It's actually very intense. Like if India wins, like you will see firecrackers suddenly going and people are ready.
And when it's known that there is a match between India and Pakistan, everyone leaves their work and sit down to watch match.
Business and money involved.
Wow. Have you ever played cricket before?
I used to, like during my childhood.
Street cricket.
Street cricket.
At school, do you play cricket? Did you learn how to cricket?
No, it's in our blood.
I guess.
Because I don't know how to play a cricket at all. Then what about other sports other than cricket?
If I'll talk about another game, so hockey is our national game, which I can't play.
Oh,
India also?
Hockey is the national.
Isn't it kabaddi?
No, it's not kabaddi. It's
Hockey.
hockey. It's hockey.
For me, I'm not much connected with any games, but I really like to do painting.
In my country, we usually have dry weather. 3, 2, 1. Okay. You guys can raise both then?
Yeah.
Maybe that's because India is so huge,
Yeah.
right? So it depends on the regions, maybe.
Regions and which months it is. If you go to Mumbai, it's generally extremely humid. But as you move to the northern side, it becomes drier.
Drier and colder or hotter?
Both.
Wow. It gets more extreme,
Yeah.
I guess. Oh, what about in Pakistan?
We have both cold and hot, but currently it's hot and dry. It's June the 16th. We enjoy 4 weather like summer, autumn, winter, and spring. The most pleasant weather in Pakistan is during the winter months from December to February.
Wow.
Yeah.
In my country, the main dish is rice. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, both and X. What is your main dish?
Our main dish is roti. Some people say chapati, and in English it's flatbread. We eat it with curry. Pakistanis cannot survive without roti, and it's considered a source of strength because this bread is made from pure wheat.
I raise both because where the weather is dry, production is very high. So they eat roti, like no rice at all, honestly. But if you move to the coastal areas, just rice. Like even the roti is made with like rice flour. So yeah.
Or another favorite dish is biryani, and everyone likes to eat it.